Hola mi gente, aquí estamos con nada más y nada menos Halle Berry, one of the most beautiful women on earth.
Oh.
How's it going?
Really good. Thank you for that.
Oh, no problem. So you're in Miami. How does it feel?
Good. I love Miami.
Yeah.
It's a sexy town.
I mean, it would have been nice if they would have put us in like a little cabana outside sun.
I
but-
said that all day. We're in beautiful Miami and we're in a hotel room. Why aren't we out on the beach? Nobody listens.
Tell me a little bit about Perfect Stranger. What intrigued you about the movie?
This whole world intrigued me. You know, this world of the internet. It's so, poignant right now in life. The internet has just, become such a big deal with adults and children and online dating and it's a very positive place to be, but it can also be very scary. And this movie sort of speaks to that issue, which is very timely right now. And it's also a great character. I get to play a character that plays two other characters, and that was a real challenge for me as an actor.
How are they alike, Ro, Catherine, and Veronica?
Well, they're all alike because they're all generated from the real Ro, but they're also very, very different. Catherine is very sexy, and she knows just what to do to get the guy to look at her and sort of reel him in. And so she wears tight clothes, and she knows how to work it.
Now, how far does Ro go to keep her secret?
Very far.
Very far.
Very far.
Now, let me ask you something. Did you go on the Perfect Stranger website?
I've been on it.
Let me tell you, I went on that, and I felt like the hacker. It's like, what's next? Let's read this. That's crazy.
Did you do that before you saw the movie?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I was completely like, oh
it's
my
fun.
gosh, I am so excited. Like reading the blogs.
Yeah.
I was like, I feel like I shouldn't be watching this.
Yeah.
I shouldn't be seeing this. I should not be reading this. I'm like in their personal life.
Yeah, it's fun. It's a good idea they had. That can help the audience become involved and engaged before they get to the movie. So I hope people will go check it out.
What's a little, sneak peek on Perfect Stranger?
It's a good time. As a moviegoer, it's the kind of movie that I like to go see. I like to get my guy, go on a date. This is the kind of movie I like to see. It's a thriller, so there's some elements of sitting on the edge of your seat. There's a killer, so you have to figure out who did it. And if we've done our job right, you won't figure it out until the very last moment when it's revealed, if we've done our job right.
And hopefully all the Spanish viewers will be able to relate to it as well. Now, do you speak, a little bit of Spanish here and there?
Un poquito.
Un poquito?
Un poquito.
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien.
Oh, enough. So she's doing perfect. Well, thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.